promised you a video on our new ribbon floss that we're carrying. It's cotton ribbon floss. We just got in yesterday a bunch of new colors. We now have, I think there's 18 different colors of these hand-dyed ribbon flosses. They're gorgeous. So here's how you use it. First, you'll need to cut a length of the ribbon floss. You want to cut a length that's 1.5 to 2.5 times the length that you want to cover. Like for the stems right here, I measured this length here. This is how much I wanted to cover. And I think on this one I did 2.5 times the length because I wanted it really full. Up here I did it only 1.5 times the length because I didn't want it quite as full. And then you want to add 2 to 3 inches onto that amount to account for the knot that you have to tie in the end and the other end that you're going to bury it at the back or underneath your applique or wherever you're going to put it. So you tie a knot in one end. And then what I did here was I threaded the other end with a needle and I came up right here and then I took the needle off the ribbon floss so that I could ruche it. And then once it was ruched, I put the needle back on to take it to the back of the block. And I knotted it off back here on the back of the block. On this one, I came up here and then went this way with it, and I didn't bother to bury it because it's going to be in the seam allowance later. So here's how it works. I'll get closer so that you can see. So you want to fan out, here we go, fan out the end a little bit so you can see the various threads. And then pick one, doesn't matter which one really, one sort of towards the middle, and then pull. And you see how it's just ruching as it goes? So you pull and then zhuzh it a little bit. And there you go. It ruches up really nice. You'll have to play with it a little bit. I usually will tack this down with some cotton thread that matches this stuff. And then you can add embroidery or beads or buttons or whatever you want over the top. And that's how you use it.